Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and then let's find the sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down to find this ringtone section, and as you can see, the incoming ringtone is divided between two different SIM cards, which simply means you can set totally different ringtone for the first one and different for the second SIM card, which is quite cool. So let me show you how to do it using the first one. Simply tap on it, and as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the list of defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top of the list we've got the option None, which simply means that your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. So you will see that you've got the incoming call, but you will not hear anything. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of the list we've got this option Add Ringtone, and after tapping on it we will be transferred to our own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded or recorded, they will appear right here or in any of other folders available, and you will be able to pick it and set it as a ringtone. But let me pick something from those options, and basically in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds you have to tap on it. So let me pick this one, and of course volume it down. So basically this is how you can check the ringtones. You can check which one you like and which not. And after and if you will decide that you want to set, for example, this crystal one, in my case, make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call from the first SIM card. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.